Right, welcome to the community. We made an upgrade here so that you don't have to read the PDF. Some said that they're more visual, wanted a video. So here's the video. And plus, we are introducing the Six Paths to Homeownership AI Fast Lane. There is going to be a prompt at the bottom in the resources of this video. That all you gotta do is copy and paste the whole thing and just repeat the process. I'm going to be using Gemini today because I want you to get comfortable using different AIs too, just as well, so that we're not just dependent on one, because each one has different features that can benefit you as we grow and go um, further in this path. So, okay, right here, we're gonna pull it up. Let's share it. All right. So now all you have to do is copy and paste. And then you hit the little arrow right here to submit it, to activate it, whatever platform you're using, same process. Just paste the whole prompt in there and just enter it in. And then it gets ready to go. And it's going to make two questions where it turns it into, like, just pick one. Don't put two. Put one, but the AI can handle it, I guess, if you do. But it's going to be simple right here. Uh, like, you got all the way A to F. So I'm gonna pick, a difficult one that might, be the one right here. Because a lot of the problems is the incomes versus the house ratio. So what we'll pick is 1F, which this is a tough one for a lot of families right now. So now I put in the 1F and I'm gonna scroll down here. And then I got question number two. And then you just go through them. Buying a home as soon as possible, locking in a price. Because see, if it takes a little time, that's important too. That's another one a lot of families can benefit from right now, is trying to lock that price in. So I will go to B. And now this is going to help you find your path that you are at a lot faster, but you pick the best that fits you, of course. But right now, I'm just focusing on where a couple of community members reached out to me and said that this was their issue. Okay. And so as you put it in, it's going to go through the process for you. And right there on path number two is lease option, which is saying this is the lane you should study. You should understand, how does that path work, right? And then you got path six, which is the wealth strategy first. And then you got the credit repair. It's putting it in order for you to get, prioritize the order of where you should be getting information to make it all come together. Like I say, in the fast lane, because you're using the AI and it's sorting it out. But then it explained to you, why is it the strongest fit? It's the strongest fit because it bridges the gap between your desire to secure home price now and your need to avoid the immediate financial stress test. So this is going to help you figure out, your path you're on, and you can always continue the conversation. Um, like if I put in there, what can I do? And that's what I mean by continue the conversation. If you got something right there to answer the question, see, and it just go ahead and help you get deeper into the understanding. And that's what you got to do, because the more and more clarity you get, the more easier it is for you to understand and have confidence in taking the actions more aggressive than possibly reading the ebook. You might need more of a detailed conversation so that you can keep asking the AI questions, so that sometimes we feel like if we ask a person, like we've been a burden. So you could talk to uh, the AIs forever, and they're gonna keep, answering questions for you. So hopefully this helps you get comfortable faster. And that's what the objective of us upgrading the ebook into an AI, to help you find your path faster, so that we can help you start, learning the paths as you go. Okay. So I hope that this helped you. Welcome to the community. And like I say, as you see, we hear you and we respond. All right.